If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high, but now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta, I can still feel locked up, like the head of a roster. Cause they'll take your soul from right up under your nose and make you feel like you did it just to obtain your goals. Oh yeah, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why if I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we can learn from other people's failures sometimes. I used to make believe and tell a plethora of lies. Now I see how actions take effect on my life. Cause I don't even have a portrait of this family of mine. I used to be speeding back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though I got options, every tree in this garden, I can still feel lost. Cause every day I wonder, yeah, will they take my soul from right up under my nose and make me feel like I did it just to obtain my goals? I mean, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why if I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stride.
Alright, here is the outfit of the night. So this top is super old. If you're from LA or been in LA, you know downtown there's an alley, it's like the fashion district. That's where I got this top from. It's super old. These jeans are from Nordstrom. They are wide-legged. I'll put some photos in for you guys. I know it's hard to see. And then my shoes are some super old heels that I got, and I couldn't even tell you where from. So we are on our way out to a couple's date. We're going to a shooting range and we're going to like dinner and have drinks. So I'll kind of wrap this vlog up now. Hopefully I can get some footage from our night out with our couple friends. It is a group of, we're 10. It's 10 of us, married couples. So anyway, it's one of the girls' birthdays, so we're going out to celebrate that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all in the next video. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you soon.
She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose, make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose, make it work, Jill dance, make it work.